As part of the COTS program, we employed a series of reviews that are very standard for orbital ATK, and we believe have been a part of our success formula for quite some time. We certainly had reviews as required by the Space Act Agreement, and we have reviews as required on the CRS program. But for the most part, those reviews and the additional reviews that we've done, regardless of requirements in a contract, have been managed in a way that enable us to discover issues as early as possible and reduce the risk of the program going forward. We employ a lot of independence in our reviews, whether it's from folks within Orbital ATK, from our independent chief engineer's office, to pulling in independent review teams made up solely of outside participants with a lot of space heritage, and in our case, human space systems heritage, and bring those folks together and do complete open book review of our design, of our processes, and allow them to tell us what they think we might be able to do different. We think that process is well received by our customers, and I think it's been well received by NASA because it adds a lot of rigor into the design process, the build process, the test process, and eventually the mission process. We don't allow a program to move on to a mission until the highest levels of our company sign off on us being ready for the mission. But at a lower level, we don't enter into a thermal vacuum test, for instance, of a service module until the program and our independent reviewers believe we're ready to go into that thermal vac test. And it goes all the way down to a component level test where we have readiness reviews on a frequent basis to make sure that we're not missing things along the way. And then we'll have independent reviews of our review process because we want to make sure we don't become complacent. One of the things we've prided ourselves in this company is delivering high reliability spacecraft. Just because we're commercial doesn't mean we aren't driven to be the highest reliability space systems provider in the world. And so we implement processes and procedures, including our own review processes that I've talked about, that we think gets us there.